Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to create a Mailchimp signup and pop-up form to WordPress. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to wordpress.com. From your dashboard, look at the right side of the screen and locate the Quick Links section. Click on Edit Site to enter your site's editing environment. Once inside, your next step is to add new content by clicking the plus icon, commonly known as Ad Block. Clicking it will open a search bar where you can quickly find elements to insert into your page. In the search field, type Mailchimp, and the Mailchimp block will appear. This block is designed for creating both sign-up forms and pop-ups. Once the Mailchimp block appears, click on it to add it to your page. The block will instantly create a space where your form will be placed. With the form added, you can customize its appearance, adjust its layout, and style it to match your website's look and branding. After setting it up, review everything carefully and make sure to save your changes before exiting the editor. And that's it. So that is how you can create a Mailchimp signup and pop-up form to WordPress. So that's all for this video. Thanks.